What's so funny? No, that's not for eating. Come on, you're...
Never seen a bird throw out so much food.
There you go. What's so funny? You think you're funny? You think you're funny trying to get the camera? You're... Huh? Oh. Are you in? Hey. Hey, birdie.
You being nice?
So far. What is that? What is that? Is that a camera? You think it's funny? You still think it's funny? Look at it. That's not for eating, that's for looking at Miko. Camera's not for eating, camera's for looking at Miko and taking pretty pictures. What? What? Hello. Hello, silly birdie.
But the spiders here,
My Miko does the hanky-panky. What are you doing up there? What are you doing up there? Are you cleaning yourself? Hello?
Is that good?
Are you gonna look again, birdie? Are you gonna look again? Hello? You're busy again, aren't you? You didn't want to be there with all that noise, all that scratching in there, right?
Is he?
You didn't want to be in there with all that scratching. Oh, you gonna look again? No, you're still cleaning yourself. Uh-oh. What do you see? What do you see, Miko? Huh?
I'm gonna get it with the vacuum tomorrow. It's just too, I can't turn that on when Michael's sleeping up there.
Yeah. Yeah. You're very careful, aren't you? Yeah. Oh.
He has some very strong warning.
Uh-oh.
I don't want it.
Ah? Ah?
The fan off. Once you turn the fan off,
That's not for...
smell it.
Uh-oh. You look, see my... You see my pocket? Right. No, it's right over there. Look over there.
Cubes, whatever.
Oh, is it fun? There you go again. You think still think it's funny. You're silly. You're a silly birdie. You're a silly birdie.
Right. I know.
Ah. Yeah. Give you a kiss? Mwah. Yeah.